Remember, ito po yung previous all-time high natin, the 103 level, and now we are trading at 104. We went as high as 106. Breakout ba yan, Tito? Maganda naman na nag-close tayo above the previous high, but we need to confirm that breakout. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Dapat yung price ng mga susunod na candle, susunod the following days, no? Kasi daily chart po ito, mag-trade above na tayo. Trade above the 103 level. Ayun, since bumasag po tayo dyan, nasaan yung immediate resistance natin? Looking at this channel, so itong top ng line niya, around probably 108, 109 level, we'll see a resistance. Now, most likely, we'll see a resistance on this area. So, pag tumama po yun dyan, some traders who are using technical analysis, and kung parehas kami ng drawing, meron din siyang parallel channel, some traders will take some profit, especially the ones that are swinging. Ang nagsuswing, magta-take profit yan, tapos mag-aabang na naman. Makakakita tayo dyan. In the immediate short term, meron tayong ine-expect na resistance dyan. Tito, paano na yung 180? Paano na yung 180? Yun nga ang tanong. Kailangan po nating i-break muna. Ito ha, yung mas malaki natin na parallel channel. This is the bigger parallel channel. We need to break this. Yan. Nauuntog po dyan. Ito yung double top last cycle. So, kailangan muna natin basagin to. Pag binasag natin dyan, sige, let's see kung hanggang saan tayo. But for now, we're seeing an immediate resistance at around that level. 108, 107, probably to 110. Yung immediate resistance natin. Yun lang po muna yung tignan natin. Tayin lang muna natin bumasag. Again, as a technical trader, we always err in the side of respect. Ano po yung respect na yan? Respeto sa support and resistance. So until basagin niya, until bastusin niya, and then, let's see. For now, resistance remains as a resistance. Uli. Follow for more Tito Moves.